Hello, today we will guide you through how to add indicator to FX Replay. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the simple process of adding an indicator to your chart inside FX Replay. Indicators can help you analyze price movement more effectively, and once you know where to find them, adding one only takes a few moments. To begin, open FX Replay and make sure you are on the chart page. This is the main workspace where you can view price action, review market movement, and apply tools to support your analysis. Before moving on, it's a good idea to confirm that your chart is fully loaded so all top menu options are visible and ready to use. Once you're on the chart screen, look toward the top area of the platform and click on the indicator option. This is where FX Replay lets you browse and search for indicators that can be applied to the current chart. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the top toolbar carefully, since that's where chart-related tools are typically grouped. After opening the indicator menu, enter the sample indicator in the search field. This helps narrow down the list and makes it easier to find exactly what you want without scrolling through multiple options. Be sure to type the indicator name clearly so the correct result appears. If the platform shows matching results as you type, that's a good sign that you're in the right place. When you see the indicator you want, click on Add. This applies the indicator to your chart so you can begin using it right away. After adding it, you should see the indicator appear on the chart itself or in a separate panel depending on the type of indicator selected. If needed, give the chart a moment to update visually. And that's it. You've successfully added an indicator to FX Replay. This is a quick but useful skill that can make your chart setup more informative and better suited to your trading or analysis style. As a final tip, after adding the indicator, take a brief moment to review how it appears on the chart. That can help you confirm it was added correctly and is displaying as expected. If it doesn't look right, simply revisit the indicator menu and check your selection again. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you get started with adding indicators in FX Replay.